Unit 4 Revision. Exercise 1. State whether the data is quantitative or descriptive. So this data is quantitative data or descriptive data. It's a quantitative data because it only consists of numbers. Okay, this data is quantitative or descriptive. It's descriptive data because it only consists of words. Okay, for this data, 1980 Mitchell, 1981, 1982, this data is quantitative or descriptive. In fact, it's both because it consists of numbers and words. What is the most common color and its percentage? Now we have these colors in the jar. You have to count them. We'll make the tally table for counting them. Now we have one red, one yellow, one green, one yellow, and so on for all of the numbers. We'll count them all and put the tally for them. Now we have 5 reds. We'll crop the 4. We have 5, and we'll continue counting. Now we have 6 yellow and 3 green and 9 red and 5 blue, and the total is 23. Okay, this is a frequency table. The most common color is red because it has the highest number of balls. Okay, the most colors and the percentage. Remember, the frequency over the total multiply 100%. Equal 9 over 23. 9 is the frequency of the red and 23 is the total. Multiply 100% equal to 39.13. Okay, arrange the following numbers in the following sets. Then calculate the percentage of 4 and higher. Okay, we will arrange the numbers in the following sets: 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, now the 9 here belongs to 8, and the 3 here belongs to 2, and the 2 here belongs to 2, and the 2 here belongs to 2 also, and the 6 here belongs to 6, and the 2 here belongs to 2, and the 3 here belongs to 2, and the 7 here belongs to 6, and the 4 here belongs to 4, and the 5 here belongs to 4, and the 8 here belongs to 8, and the 9 here belongs to 8, the 5 here belongs to 4, and 8 here belongs to 8, and 6 here belongs to 6, and 8 here belongs to 8, and the 6 here belongs to 6, and the 3 here belongs to set 2, and the 4 here belongs to set 4, and the 2 here belongs to set 2, and the 8 here belongs to set 8, and the 7 here belongs to set 6, and the 5 here belongs to set 4, and the 5 here also belongs to set 4, and the 6 belongs to set 6. So the number of balls here is 7, and every other number of balls is 6 for all of the others. Now this is the frequency table. What is the percentage of 4 and higher? Okay, it will be this 3, 4, 6, and 8. We have 6, 6, 6. For the number, we have 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal 18. So the percentage will be the frequency over the total. We have 18 over 25, multiply 100%, equals to 72%. Following frequency table shows the age of 40 students in one school. Draw the frequency curve. Okay, in order to draw the frequency curve, we first need to get the center of the set. In order to get the center of the set, we'll get the lower limit plus the upper limit over 2, or the upper limit plus the lower limit over 2. Okay, so the center of the set 4, we have 4 plus 8 over 2 equals to 6. The center of set 8 is 8 plus 12 over 2 equals to 10. And the center of set 12 is 12 plus 16 over 2 equals to 14. Now the center of set 16 is 16 plus 20 over 2 equals to 18. Then the center of set 20, the final set, it will be 20 plus 24 over 2 equals to 22. Okay, how do they determine that the upper limit of 20 is 24? Because the difference here is 4, 8, 12, 16. So 20 will be 24. Okay, so the upper limit is 24. Okay, now we are ready for drawing. We have the following points: 6 in the horizontal, 10 in the vertical, 10 in the horizontal, 9 in the vertical, and so on. Let's start by drawing the 6. 6 here, the horizontal, or 6 in the x-axis, and 10 on the y-axis, or 10 on the horizontal. Okay, the point will be here. Okay, now 10 in the horizontal and 9 in the vertical. So the point will be, we'll move to 10, then to 9, and the point will be here. Then 14 in the horizontal axis, or the x-axis, and 2 in the vertical axis, so the new point will be here. Then 18 in the horizontal axis, and 15 in the vertical axis, so new point will be here. Then finally 22 in the horizontal axis or the x-axis, and 4 on the vertical or the y-axis, so the new point will be here. As I told you before, you have to draw the curve as smooth as possible. Okay, don't draw straight lines. Okay, exercise 5. The range of a set of values is 7, 5, 4, 9, 3, 8, and 6. We need to find the range. Okay, remember, the range is the maximum minus the minimum. Okay, what is the maximum here? It's 9. It's the highest number. Okay, then the minimum, the lowest number here is 3. Okay, we have 9 minus 3 equals to 6. Quantitative data is distributed in the sets 50-, 80-, 110-, 140-. Then the length of each set. Okay, in order to know the length of a set, we get the higher limit minus the lower limit. Okay, for 50 here, the higher limit is 80 and the lower limit is 50 itself. Okay, length of the set is the upper limit minus lower limit, so 80 minus 50 equals to 30. And you can check by checking the others. 110 minus 80 also will be equal to 30. 140 minus 110 will also be equal to 30. If the range of values equals 60 and the number of sets equal 10, then the length of sets, let's see here, remember the rule, number of sets equals the range over length of sets. So we have the number of sets, he told us is equal to 10, and the range, he told us it's equal to 60. We need to know the length of sets. So it will be 60 over 10, we'll exchange these two. Length of the set will be here and the 10 will be here, so we have 60 over 10, it will be 6. Okay, is 1 descriptive data? The weight? No, weight is a number, let's say 25 kilograms, 30 kilograms. Age, 23 years, 24 years, to 8 years, it's a number. The favorite color is a word, let's say red, blue, green, so the favorite color is the most likely to be the descriptive data. Temperature degrees, let's say 23 degrees, it's a number also. So the favorite color is the answer. Okay, the following data is quantitative, except he means that all of this data is quantitative data, means it's numbers, except one. Let's see your age, it's a number. Okay, birthplace, it's a place, it's a name. Let's say Cairo, England, Washington, it's a name. So I think this is the one. But let's check the other. Length is also a number, weight is also a number, so the birthplace is the one. If the lower limit of a set is 20 and the upper limit of the set is 30, then the center of the set equals to center of the set. Remember the rule, center of the set is lower limit plus upper limit over 2. So lower limit is 20 and the upper limit is 30 over 2. So it's 25. If the range of a set of values is 3, 7, x, 9, 5 is 10, then x equal, okay, the range here is 10. But remember the rule of the range, it's the maximum minus the minimum. Okay, how can we get x? Range is higher than the highest number here. 9 is the highest number and 10 is higher than the highest number. So x must be the highest number, must be the maximum. Okay, so the range will be, if the range is 10, so range is 10 equal x minus 3. Okay, we'll send the 3 to the other side. So x will be equal 10 plus 3. So x is 13. Okay, x is 13, not 3. X is 13. Okay. Exercise 6. Find x and y. Let's see, here we have x is 11. X have 11 and y belongs to the set 50. Okay. Let's see, here we have 10, 20, then 40, then x, then 40, then 50. Okay, let's see here. It's most likely will be the upper limit of 20. So x will be the same as the upper limit of 20. So x will be equal to 30. Okay, and y. How can we get y? Okay, remember all of these numbers. If we added all of this number, we'll get the total. So we have 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 9 plus y equals to 40. So if we send all of this number to the other side, 40 minus all of this number, we will get the y. So we have 40 minus 5 minus 8 minus 11 minus 9 will be equal to y. So y will be equal to 7. Thanks for listening, everyone, and have a great time. Goodbye.